Okay, today we start our next part of future, that is future continuous tense. First of all, the identification of this tense. Okay, at last of this tense comes रहा होगा, रही होंगी, रहे होंगे. रहा होगा, रही होगी, रहे होंगे. Okay, now
सर बच्चों को इन कर लीजिए.
okay, एक ही बच्चा था कर लिया उसको इन affirmative. As you know, I told you yesterday with I and we use shall plus be, then verb first form plus ing, then object. Then rest of noun and pronoun. Nouns and pronouns use will plus be plus verb first form plus ing, then object. Negative with I and we plus shall plus not. Not will come between shall and be. Okay, shall not plus be plus verb first form plus ing, then object. Now, the second part is rest of nouns and pronouns use will plus not plus be plus verb first form plus ing, then object. Now come to the interrogative part of this tense. First part, when sentence begins with क्या, जब सेंटेंस क्या से शुरू होता है तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी राइट द हेल्पिंग वर्ब. ओके, हियर आवर हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज shall or will. Okay, now shall or will according to our subject, then subject, बी वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ing, then object at last question mark. The second part. Hmm? Hmm. When any question word comes in the sentence, comes in the mid of the sentence. In the mid of the sentence. So first of all, we write the English of that question word. Question word plus shall or will according to our subject and subject verb first form plus बी लगा दिया नहीं, बी लगाया अभी subject plus B, then verb first form plus ing, then object at last question mark. Now come to the examples of this tense. Example, यह बढ़ई आज यह बढ़ई आज सुबह से यह बढ़ई आज सुबह से मेज बना रहा होगा। सुबह से काट देते हैं, आज सुबह कर देते हैं, बस आज सुबह और सुबह से आज सुबह मेज बना रहा होगा। ओके, नाउ दिस कारपेंटर will be making table today आज सुबह today या today's morning कर सकते हैं, today's morning ओके या टुडे इन द मॉर्निंग ओके और इन द मॉर्निंग। नेक्स्ट यह बच्चा आज अपना सबक तैयार कर रहा होगा। Sabak means syllabus or chapter. Okay, this child will be preparing don't laugh in my class. Be serious. Cover your face with mask. Okay, this child will be preparing his chapter. Sabak means his chapter. Lesson. हाँ, I will teach you a lesson. आज मैं तुम्हें एक सबक सिखाऊंगा. Okay. So this child will be preparing his chapter आज today. यह पुजारी मंदिर में प्रसाद नहीं बांट रहा होगा. जो ऊपर लिखते हैं यह पुजारी this priest will not be प्रसाद लिख दो, फूड लिख दो. ओके, this priest will not be distributing when we give things in two persons we use divide. When we give person more than two we use distribute. The priest will not be distributing prasad. प्रसाद किसे? पुजारी मंदिर में तो मेजर है क्या? इन द टेम्पल. ओके, नेक्स्ट हम समाज की सेवा नहीं कर रहे होंगे. हम we shall according to grammar I told you yesterday, or we can also use will according to the modern rules of English grammar. Okay, both will be right. So we shall not be serving society. क्या यह मेंढक जमीन पर उछल रहा होगा? क्या will this frog be hopping? Okay, on the land. वह तुम्हारा मकान क्यों नहीं खरीद रहा होगा। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्यों, why will he not be purchasing your house? मकान, घर नहीं मकान। ओके, a simple building is known as house. When people live in the house, it becomes home. Okay, so home is never purchased, only house is purchased. You will have, I think you will have heard like a housing society, not a homing society. Okay, na? If the people do the work of say purchase the property, is house purchasing. Okay, never home purchasing. Clear to everyone? Okay, so why will he not be purchasing your house? Complete. Why will he not be purchasing your house? Clear to everyone? Now comes our next part of the future tense. It will be future perfect tense. Okay, बच्चों, आर यू गेटिंग? समझ में आ रहा है? हेलो बच्चों, आर यू गेटिंग?
यस सर।
ओके, तो कम टू द फ्यूचर का नेक्स्ट पार्ट। ओके, फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस। Yes, identification. At the last of this tense comes चुकेगा, चुकेंगी, चुकेंगे। चुकेंगे। Affirmative, as you know already, with I and we use shall plus have. Have will show you that it is a future perfect tense. Shall show future tense. Have shows perfect tense. Both of them will show that it is future perfect tense. Will have plus shall have, will have plus shall have plus verb. Verb third form. Plus object. Second point, rest of nouns and pronouns use will, then have, then verb, third form, plus object at last, full stop, negative. Okay, same with I and we use shall plus. Now come the not will come between shall and have. Okay, now shall not have plus verb third form plus object. Okay. Second part is इसका rest of nouns and pronouns will not have plus verb third form plus object at last full stop. Now come to the interrogative part of the sentence. Interrogative part, first part. When sentence begins with kya. Okay, when sentence begins with kya. So for this kya, we just write first of all shall or will according to our subject. Have not will come with in the starting. Have starting में नहीं आएगा. Only shall or will for this kya, shall or will according to our subject. Then subject plus have, then verb third form plus object. Okay, shall have, will have, neither not shall have, shall has, will has. It will be wrong. Only shall have and will have. Now the second point, when any question word comes in the mid of sentence. Okay. So first of all, we write the English of this question word, whatever it may be. So first of all, question word, then shall or will, then subject plus have, verb third form plus object at last question mark. Now come to the special point about this tense. Note, two sentences remain connected with each other by before. Only before, not after. Only before. Okay, but the period is over. Okay, and how will you make this tense? I will tell you tomorrow.
सर मैंने क्लास लेट अटेंड की थी तो मेरी अटेंडेंस लगा दीजिए।
आपका नाम क्या है?
रिया त्यागी।
ओके, रिया त्यागी।